Alright guys, welcome back to My Milsurp. We got a nice surprise for you today. I did finally get a bolt. No, this is not the right one yet. We're going to pull that new one out and see if she fits live here on camera. So let's get to pulling her apart. We'll get brace it with my foot. I'm on now. Pop up. There we go. This is very hard to do, especially with one hand. I definitely need to get that new... Yep, we're going to have to pause there because I almost took my finger off. 1 second. Alright, we're back. So the way you take these guys off is you kind of pull up on the extractor here with one finger. Typically this finger. Then you kind of twist the bolt back with the other hand like this. So it pops up. And it'll pop up together and you keep twisting her. And she should fall out just like that. The locking lug coming out of the way. So now we're going to put our new one in. Pull that out, set that one aside. We got a new one here. This is the packaging she came in. It smells intensely of mop water, which is insane to me. But I believe that the guy I bought it from, he used quite a bit of sanitizer on it just before he sent it in. So we're going to put that new one in. It does not have as much articulation as the old one does. It articulates the other direction, which is interesting. See how that one's articulated like that? This one does not do that. So there we go, it's on the other side. That's why. Alright, so we're going to put her in. Locking lug up, out of the way. Now she's not oiled, so no, it's not going to go in that easy. Well, she did just pop right in. But she's giving me a little bit of trouble going in. Oh, she's in. And that's it. She's working good. And now you can see I don't have that stupid peep sight in the way. And now I can articulate this puppy. A little bit of oil. We're going to clean her up, but she fits pretty good. She fits right in there, nice and snug. So I don't see any head spacing issues here. Looks just like the old one. We're going to get this one cleaned up and get her rocking and rolling. But finally, I have a nice bolt that does not have that stupid peep sight pinned and freaking welded. Oh my goodness, I did not mean to turn that on. Give me a second. There we go. Didn't need to bring the light of Jesus on this thing. But you can see that's pinned in there. We'll show her. See, nothing there. So now we got one, no peep sight. We'll clean her up, we'll oil her, and we'll get her back in that rifle. And then we're going to probably shoot her this weekend. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for stopping in. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like. Leave a comment if you got any questions. And we'll see you later. Bye.